Find a straight bar where you put your hands right on your side. If you're a little wider, use a wider bar. She's a little thinner, so she uses a thinner bar. So her hands are perfectly by her side. So we use this one. Stand about half a foot from the cable, grab the bar, step forward half a foot from it, elbows inward, go ahead and lock all the way down. You see that tricep working, wrist is nice and straight. Keep that arm perfectly perpendicular to the floor. Come up to a 90-degree angle, wrists are straight, look straight. Don't move your arm back and forth. You want to keep it as stiff as you possibly can. Her butt's out a little bit, so her back is nice and tight and it's locked. She's not bending her knees back and forth. Her wrists are straight, abs are tight. Beautiful. Now we're working the tricep nice and hard.